Hello everyone, this is Rahul from Opus. Here we are going to solve this question: draw any English letter and design it for its use as a drop cap. Now, drop cap is like a decorative letter which is used as a decorative element in the start of a paragraph. You may observe its use in certain newspapers, books, or magazines. Okay, so it is nothing but a letter which has been decorated well enough to attract attention. So let's see. We'll do with the letter A. Okay, so first we will construct the basic structure of the letter, okay, which gives its readability, like universally how it is perceived. So that gives our basic like the most mm, advanced like the most acceptable structure and recognizable structure for the letter, and which would be readable by most people. So on that we will design it. We'll do our design so that instead of making whatever design we like to do, it does not like loses its readability. Because that is one of the main purpose or one of the prior requirement of any drop care. Though it is decorative, but it shall also be readable. So this is our structure of the A, and then we can start working on its inner structure and how it can decorate itself. So for this, once you have the entire structure, we can add certain elements inside it. Okay, to make it look interesting. Okay, you can be as creative as possible. There is no limit or restrictions here, but be sure that whatever you are designing is actually making it look uh, well and presentable. Okay, so I'm slightly distorting the structure of the A itself to give it a interesting look and appeal. Okay, and the inside also you can distort it. All right. After you have this, then you can go for other uh, way of decorating the letter, whichever suits you. So it mainly depends upon your own aesthetic taste. So I'm just mainly using lines and shapes, which would give my design interesting appeal. Okay, so that is the main purpose. Okay, at places you can use strokes, and at some places you can remove. Let it be as it is. So there is no rule or restriction here. So have an open mind and create as you please with the design. Okay. So you can also take inspiration from any form or any structure that helps you create a much more decorative or interesting design. Now after we have this one, okay, you can go for elements which is not symmetrical in nature. So suppose I uh, create a swill like this at this place, okay, and like this, which gives my design an interesting look and feel. this is another way of creating an appealing design. Okay, so you have to think of the ways in which this design looks, though not symmetrical but still balanced. So here I'm going to add another sway which has a continuation like this, and it may extend in this way. Okay, and here you can add that leaf elements that we added on that side here too. So see, we have a design which might look interesting and uniform, and this can help us create a solution for our question. So this is how we decorate a rocket, or we can use any English any letter and design it accordingly according to your own design sense, and then it can be presented as a rocket or used as a rocket. So I hope you understood like how this you can create creatives like this which can be used at various purposes, and also how a drop cap looks like. I hope this helps you a lot. Thank you.